Hi everyone, it's Heather Pilkington with Monstera Real Estate Group, and as promised, I am going to show you how to protest your property taxes in Bexar County. All you're going to need to do this is your notice from the Bexar County Appraisal District and your computer. To get started, we're going to head to bcad.org and we're going to hover over Online Services and click on Online Portal. From here, we will click on Online Services again. If you have not set up your online portal, you're going to want to click Create New User. There, you will have to input your owner ID and your PIN number. Find that on the notice from Bexar County. So you'll put that information in. It'll have you create a username and password and verify your email. Once your email is verified, you can head back over to the login page and log into your account. Once we log in, we're going to click this blue lightning bolt for online appeals. And in the protest summary page, click this green button over here to e-file. This should auto-populate any properties that are associated with that PIN number that is specific to you. This is my home address and this is my name. So yes, I'm going to click this and I am going to e-file. On the e-file protest information page, you're going to have some options. I chose to e-file my protest and conduct the rest of the process electronically through this website. You may begin by filing online and finish the process by going into the office or coordinating directly with the office. Obviously, I believe filing online is going to be the most convenient option. Next, you can choose between receiving a hearing reminder and requesting a copy of evidence. I am going to request a copy of evidence. That way I know what they are using to fight my appeal. On this drop down, you can choose how you want that evidence delivered to you. I am going to choose online because it's going to be the most convenient. You may have it mailed to you if you want a physical copy, or you can go down to the office in person to receive a copy. Here in the comments section, we are going to put any information that's going to support your appeal. So any deficiencies within your home, anything derogatory that may be affecting the value, you're going to list off here. For instance, you can say roof is at its end of life. I need a new hot water heater. No cosmetic updates within the last 15 years. Any information that's going to support your appeal, then you're going to go ahead and put in your contact information. And then I selected, yes, I would like to receive text updates. Here you're going to click submit. This is where we're actually going to create your protest. Verify the information provided. Yes, we are the owners. That's my name. This is my address. This is all correct. I want my evidence delivered online, and your opinion of value is going to come from a trusted real estate advisor. If you don't have one, please reach out. I'd be more than happy to help. We provide evidence packets for our friends, family, neighbors, and our clients. So this is my home. This is going to be my opinion of value. How we get that number is we pull information from your neighborhood and some recently sold properties. In my case, it's actually higher than what Bexar County is suggesting, so I'm not actually going to go through with my protest. In case you did not know, they can come back and raise the value. So if your opinion of value is higher than their suggested appraisal value, do not try and file. This packet is going to have information on your property, as well as the comparative homes that we have selected to use in your evidence packet. There's a lot of information for you to take in, and it's a great resource. So again, this is the number we are going to take, copy into here, and then we'll select a protest reason. In most cases, it's going to be unequal compared to other properties. Some instances, they may have some of your information incorrect. And so that's going to be this first option here. If they have one too many bedrooms listed, not enough bathrooms, the square footage or your lot size is off, that would be the option you would choose. If you're simply doing it based off of comps from your neighborhood, this will be the option you'll choose. And if you would like to use both as a reason to protest, you most certainly can select both. And then protest options, if you do not have any of these exemptions applied and you think that you qualify, please reach out and I can let you know how to get that done. And then we will hit submit. Once you hit submit, a blue box will come up that says done after you verify all the information, and it will bring us back to this page here. Once your protest is complete, your property address will show up here. The year will show up here. Protest status should state pending, and it could take up to a couple of weeks for you to get a response. Your settlement offer and offer amount will be notated here. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out.